I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Park Wodny Tarnów. Okay, time to run.
What's going on?
Sounds like Dark Lincoln Loud pulled the fire alarm at Park Wodny in Tarnów. Come on, Leon Scott Kennedy. Let's get out of here.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
With that, we do the odds.
Hi Dark Lincoln Loud. How was your day going?
It's great.
Let's watch the news. Oh my god. Dark Lincoln Loud. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Park Wodny Tarnów? That's it. You are grounded for 15,268 months. Go to your room right now.
I've got an axe to grind with you.